In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Venmo balance is not updating. So for example, right here, I have in here this user wherein their Venmo balance is not reflecting the correct balance. As you have noticed, you received a Venmo payment from a friend for $300 and they received text confirmation. They see the transaction in Venmo asking, and there's no transaction that would negate the above amount. However, it shows $0. So in order to actually fix this, you can head over and see if it's actually an internal problem or a you problem. As you can see, this particular notice is because AWS is down. It's an issue on Amazon's end. So if there's no issue on Amazon's end, you can head over and make sure that your balance is updating. If it's not updating, you can try to search for is Amazon down, and you can see right there if Venmo is affected with this change. If it still doesn't resolve it, you can head over and contact support. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.